Hello and welcome to the summary of week 16 of the Lucy Letby trial. Now, the court this week, what did they do? Well, we're still on the prosecution's case. So remember, the prosecution have to go through every victim, every murder and attempted murder victim, and then the defence will present their case. So Child J was born with perforated bowel, had an operation and seemed to be stable, and then had seizures and their heart rate dropped. One of the nurses who worked with Letby said she was caring and knowledgeable, and this nurse also admitted that there had been, in the years 2015 to 2016, very high admission rate to the neonatal unit. Some of the evidence in court suggested that Child J's collapse could be due to smothering. Child J had no infection, so the collapse was very unexpected. Now, Child L and M, they also considered these two victims. They were twin boys. This is an attempted murder charge for both Child L and Child M. Prosecution, again, are alleging that they were injected with air. There was no explanation for the collapse. They were born prematurely at 33 weeks, but that's not as early as some babies have been born. And with Child L, they alleged that Child L had been poisoned by insulin because there were very high insulin levels. Now, they also focused in court this week on Lucy Letby's text messages. She had moved house and she messaged her colleagues to say that she had a magnum of Prosecco and vodka ready to celebrate if they came to visit for drinks. And interestingly, this week, this is the first week that Letby has shown any sign of emotion. So she has been sitting quietly in the dock, she's been taking notes and she's been listening to all of the evidence. Whereas this week, at the end of the week, she was visibly upset and crying, and she eventually composed herself. But that's just quite interesting that has happened after 4 months. Whether we can read anything into that is another matter.